Get out. Get out. I'll take you to the station. Get out.
So umpeleke station. Kwani station ni ya mama yako?
Get out.
Unatusi watu. Unatutusi pole pole.
Kula kasa ya walimu pia si rahisi. Wanalipa tu. Kuna vitu mkutano hapo nakuja kuteleza vijana. Angalia sasa these are the men in black. Nini? Get out.
Get out.
I'm stable. Simunaona niko stable.
Get out. Get out. Boss. Don't
Capture. Capture. Karibu tu. Capture. Gari yetu iko hapa bana, sio unajisukuma.
Get out. Get out.
Ah, sio mimi peke yangu naona. Wewe rudi huko.
Tunatoka kwani shida iko wapi?
Unisukuma sukuma hiyo.
Hatuwezi ongea tusikizane. Twendeni tu nje. Masiubusha wa nje. Unajua kuna design mnaopaleti bwana. Hata wale watu wa KANU wako wanaopaleti.
Tuko na masikio ya kusikia.
Nyinyi mko na tena.
Tuko na.
Mkisaa hii tu mtakuja
Simuharibu tu.
Nani anaharibu? Unapigia nani simu ada ya nini? Simu nasema nipigie mwenye security hapa. Unafanya nini? Acha wewe ndio umesema you are in charge. The matter. Let me show you. You don't even need to confirm where you. Wewe unajui tulipiga siasa ina gani? And we are gani na mtu mmoja hapa you cannot come and harass us here. In the name of atumeleta na ngelo mzuri. Atukuje upige sasa sababu bado mapambano. Lale walimu musilale. Bado mapambano.
A union which is supposed to protect his members is protecting the interests of the teacher service commission.
The roots of I have the report from the county commander police. We did not come here to see. We have taken the number plates of the cars hired by Akello Misori and his goons
to come and kill us.
We will report to the police station right away because they cannot come and bring their tribesmen to come and kill us here. Yes. We are not going to allow that. That one is not going to be allowed here. All these people are here. We are not going to allow people who are not in KUPPET. They are not police. Who do you think you are being used to terrorize here? Why are you coming? You have harassed us since morning. Yes, since morning. You are not a policeman. You are not in KUPPET. Yes. No. You are not a policeman. It is important. Even if he is a policeman, it's okay. Even if he's a security, you cannot do that to us. A government officer is okay, but he must go by the rules of the
You cannot. You cannot harass. People who are not policemen. People who are not policemen.
Is our boss.
No.
Wewe unajua umesumbua sana. Tutadili na wewe sasa. Twende tu. Ndio utajua mimi.
tunataka kudili. Just come in. People to kill us. This is Wewe mimi nilikuwa naangalia gari KBK ni ya nani? Gari KBK. Ni ya nani hiyo gari? Angalia gari kwa hivi. Na wametuambia ya kwamba wameletwa na Akelo Misori. Ati wameletwa ati security ya Akelo Misori. Akelo Misori anakuja na security kama hivi. Twende nikuonyeshe hiyo gari. Let's consider car. Karibu wanaume huko tu.
Ili ulisema enda
You want to believe in the gun?
Tell them to get out.
I'm stable. Si unaona niko stable.
Get out. Get out, boss. Don't capture I'll enjoy this.
Capture. Well, my friend, don't shout here. Don't shout here.
Yes, that's why what? What do you think you are? Itapigana. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Twende please. Twende nje. No. Twende.
Usiku
Tabata huyu tunamjua, hata tunamjua kukuliko. Wachana yeye. Hakuna mtu anamjua.
Tafadhali why you feel me? Because you have been outside.
Tunaenda ni nini shida? Lazima mtusukume. Kwani hatuna masikio?
Madam. Nje ni sawa, wanakuja nje. Tutaongelea.
Jina yangu ni Robert Miano. Mimi ni katibu wa KUPPET tawi la Laikipia. Na we came here for our National Governing Council meeting. We are invited, we are members. But upon arriving, tukakuta mapolisi wakakataa tuingie ndani. Kwa sababu chama yetu iko na dictatorship, kuna udikteta sana. There is a lot of mambo ni kudictate vile mambo itakuwa, and I think that is what we are against. Ukionekana wewe unaongea tofauti, hata mkutano kama hii hauwezi hudhuria, unaletewa polisi na watu wakupige na wakutoe kwa mkutano. Waliniandikia invitation kwa email nikuje, na ni haki yangu kuattend. Mimi na represent branch ya Laikipia yote, walimu wote wa Laikipia. Mimi ndiye na represent hapa. Kwa hivyo wanaposema sitaingia mkutano, hiyo ni kunyima walimu wote wa Laikipia haki ya kuwakilishwa mahali decision zinafanyika. Decision ambayo itafanyika hapa ni what the court talk of null and void. Kwa sababu unapoita watu wanastahili kuwa 10, useme huyu asikuje, huyu akuje, ile decision haiwezi kuwa kamili, and it cannot hold water. Na tungesema whatever they decide here is null and void, because union ni ya kila mtu, as long as unalipa subscription fee. Union si ya mtu mmoja, ati wewe juu kuna pesa sana, wewe utasema vile mambo itakuwa. Union ni ya members, na union ni yetu wote, na kila mtu akona haki kwa ile union. The fact that they have denied us entry into our own meeting, that make the meeting illegal, and it cannot hold. Even if the decision that they made is just a useless decision. Definitely we are going to consult with our members to try and quash every decision that they make. And na tungeomba tu walimu wa Kenya wakae kidete, let us remain strong. To represent, we know the people who are against us here, they are people who have already retired. Some of them are past the age of 65. They don't know even what the teacher is going through, and they are just there because of money. Hakuna kitu kingine imewaleta pale, ni pesa tu, si kurepresent mwalimu. Na wakiona wewe unaongea maneno ya mwalimu, wakiona unaongea vile mwalimu amefinywa, vile mwalimu amegandamizwa hapa Kenya, wewe unapigwa na unaambiwa hata uwezi attend mkutano kama hii. but we remain strong. We are going to deliver victory to the teachers of this country. Yeah.
Mimi ni Omondi Oluoch Peter. I'm the Executive Secretary, KUPPET, Tana River County. We are here to attend the National Governing Council at the Kasarani Sportsview Hotel. We were invited today, the 29th of May, 2024. Now, NGC, the National Governing Council, is like our Parliament of the Union, where every Executive Secretary, the nominated women, and the members of the National Executive Board attend. Now, there is nobody who can purport to block any other member of this NGC from attending the meeting venue. So when we came, we were shocked that tumefika, alafu tunaambiwa we don't have tags, so we cannot access the meeting venue, which is illegal, and therefore all the proceedings of this meeting will be declared null and void. Because they, yes. It is politics. There have been issues in the union, and some of us have stood for the teachers against oppression by members of the other side who have blocked us. So that is one reason. Like, you know, our union has never called for any successful strike in this country. But it is a feeling of every teacher that when there is no salary increment, when teachers cannot get transfers on request, when medical scheme for the teachers is not working, teachers are dying like it is a death sentence, then the only thing that can push the government to give teachers better terms is a strike. Surprisingly, our union signed a deal that we cannot go on strike unless we are given permission by the commission. So as things stand now, our union is like a union serving the commission, the employer, the TTSC, other than serving teachers. So this is why sisi tulikuja tukasema no, enough is enough. It is time to return the union back to members who are the teachers. That is why they don't want us to attend the meeting. I was blocked by one police officer, and then while I was still engaging the officer, because I had gone up first floor where the meeting venue was, and an officer came and told me to come down, but when I was trying to explain myself, bouncers came, men in black came, about 6 of them, and we didn't know who they were. So now we are trying to follow up who these guys are. They are telling us that they are security hired by the Secretary General Akelo himself. Yes. So I think it is the team that doesn't want change and does not want service to the teachers that is blocking us. They told us to wait for 30 minutes that our tags will be ready. So after this, I think we are going to try to access the meeting venue. If they block us, we will see what next. But for now, as long as we have the letters to attend the meeting, and as long as our constitution allows us to attend the meetings, and we are the lawmakers within this council, then we have all the rights to access the meeting then. So from here we will try to access it again, because the 30 minutes have passed, in fact 2 hours, we have not received those tags. But tags are not in our constitution, because we are the lawmakers. We never attend meetings using tags. The invitation letters are enough, and our constitution is enough.
That means you had the invitation, right?
Of course we have the invitation letters, all of us. And even if we were not given invitation letters, of which we were given, we automatically attend NGC meetings as long as there's a memo calling for an NGC meeting, being members of the National Governing Council. We are the executive secretaries of the respective branches. This is Laikipia, Isiolo, Tana River here, Nandi, and of course Samburu. Yes. Yes, I think what they want to do is to try to pass certain policies which are going to favor them in some way. In fact, one of the biggest elephant in this house is the question of retirement. A good number of the members of the National Executive Board have actually hit the retirement age. They don't want to go home because there are a lot of millions, I think, up there. So they are worried who will be in charge of the millions when they leave. That is real thorn in the flesh. So they want to pass some policies. Also, another problem is a good number of retiring branch leaders who are now probably teaming up with those at the NEB having the same fate to stay put. So they want to block teachers from accessing the union leadership.
I am William Lengoyat, the Executive Secretary, KUPPET Samburu.
I was invited to a meeting dated today, the 29th of May 2024, by the National Office, a letter signed officially by the Secretary General, Akelo Misori, KUPPET, Kenya. Upon reaching the venue, we were told that we will not get into the venue without a name tag. We waited because we were told that there could be some cards coming. We waited until we saw that there is no more cards. It was just a monkey business to lock us out of the meeting. After some time, we saw strange faces around. People who are not police officers, people who are not KUPPET officials gathered around with a vehicle.
The hotel security officer.
They are not part of the security officers of the hotel management. Upon talking to them, one of them exclusively told us that he's a hired man and he's among many others. He has been hired by the Secretary General KUPPET Kenya, Akelo Misori, to make sure that we do not get into the meeting. Don't forget, the same Akelo Misori is the one who invited us to these meetings. So we cannot understand the reason why somebody can be called all the way from Samburu to Nairobi, and upon arriving here, you are told you will not be in that meeting. I find it unfortunate, very unfortunate, because this is a country governed by the rule of law, a country governed by the Constitution of Kenya, which Kenyans have passed. We know the people who are supposed to provide security are police officers. And one of the reasons why we did not get in the meeting is because we had police officers around there.
20 of them,
So
over
we
20.
respected police officers because they came armed with guns. And we told them we are not armed with anything anyway. It is unfortunate that KUPPET, a union which is supposed to defend teachers, has stooped too low under the leadership of Honorable Omboko Milemba, who is the Member of Parliament for Imuhaya, and Akelo Misori, who is the Secretary General. I did not ever think that a union led by a legislator can stoop too low to an extent of breaking all the Kenyan laws. Very unfortunate. We are also aware that the same top 3 officials of the Kenya National Union, Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers are already under service of a court order, having refused to obey all court orders. Upon that, we went to court for contempt of court. So the 3 national officials, top national officials, Honorable Akelo Misori, Omboko Milemba, and Wicks Mwedinjenga are under court contempt for refusing completely to obey all the court orders given to them by the Honorable Judge sitting at Meru Law Courts. Unfortunate, I have never thought that educationists who are supposed to be showing the way for others can stoop too low to go and bring goons to harass their colleagues whom they have called to attend a meeting. I am a very sad man. This is a union which we have told that must be governed by the rule of law, and the laws must be made by the teachers. The teachers are the owners of this union. They are the ones who are supposed to make the laws that will govern them. But it's unfortunate. The laws of this union has continuously been made behind closed doors. And this time around, we said no to constitutional amendments that are made without the consultation of teachers. They want to completely remove the retirement age. They want to completely remove the retirement age so that they can stay to eternity in this union because they are already past 60, 63, 64 years. That is why they don't want progressive voices in this union. Thank you.
I'm Paul Rotich, KUPPET Secretary from Nandi County. And today, it is a sad day that the democracy we've been fighting within our union has gone to the door. Today I've seen our journalists, men from the Fourth Estate, being harassed, being attacked by hired goons, by our union official. There is only one assurance which I want to make to the Kenyan teacher, that we've stood for changes in the union and we will continue fighting for those changes. I want to assure you that we'll fight. We don't want what to happen in 2021 to happen again. When the NEP official went and registered a constitution which was launched a few days to election, and in that constitution they made a lot of amendments which favored them. We used to have retirement age at 60. They extended to 65. They are now approaching 65. They now want to change so that that age limit is repealed, so that they become union official forever. We will not allow that. Secondly, in 2021, branch officials who are elected at branch level were forced to resign in order for them to contest for the national office. It is unfortunate. It is unfortunate. This meeting, which is ongoing, is a sub judice. It will be against the law. We have filed a case in the courts of Kenya where we are questioning the deduction of 200 shillings from female teachers. Yes. And the beneficiary is unknown. But courtesy of that, the employer, Teacher Service Commission, the other day in their submission, revealed that that deduction goes to Kewota. Why? All other deductions are specific. We have KUPPET SUA Nandi, for example, KUPPET Union dues, SUA which goes to Mwalimu Sako, SUA which goes to our PPF. But when it comes to that deduction, they just list it as SUA. Why today you want to make it anonymous? I don't want to discuss that because it is within the law, and that more probably that could be the reason why they don't want to go in. Let the union serve the teachers. Let the union not serve the Teachers Service Commission. Serve the interests of the teacher, not the interests of Teachers Service Commission. And we want to tell the teachers, it is not yet Uhuru for KUPPET Kenya, but we'll ensure that those nitty-gritty, the gray areas must be solved. We shall involve you in the constitutional amendment. We don't want the monkey business where some few people will go and sit and change the constitution to their favor. It will be an all-inclusive across Kenya. As a chair who is also a member of National Assembly representing Mwaya, we also have a women representative from Bungoma County. KUPPET should be above board. It should be above other union because we are privileged. But when our two legislators are just there watching when our union is going down, it is very sad. And I know the teachers from Mwaya in Vihiga County and the teachers within Bukomba County, you are watching. If our two officers cannot stand with us, we are done. Soon, we are also going to look at an issue.
One man, one job.
An issue where we have one person having two jobs. we want to go as per the directive of the government that one man must have one employment. One man, one
job, one retirement.
And one retirement. Thank you so much.
Kama hapo awali nilisema mimi ni Omondi Oluoch Peter. Mimi ni katibu mkuu wa chama KUPPET Tana River County. Nataka kusema hivi. Hii harassment tumepata hapa. Si kwamba sisi ndio tumekuwa harassed tu, but walimu wa Kenya wote ndio wanafanyiwa hii udhalilishaji, ukiritimba na unyanyasaji. Ile sababu hawa watu wanatukataza tusiingie kwa mkutano ni kwamba tulienda kotini wakati walimu kike, walimu ambao kina mama walilalamika kwamba katika payslip yao wanaona deduction na awaja ikubali, na hii pesa inaenda. Hata saa hii kuna ingine pia inaenda, unapata tu walimu payslip yako 200 inaenda na ujui inaenda wapi. So walipotuambia hizi vitu, malalamishi yao walitufikishia sisi, tukachukua hatua kama viongozi wao. Tukafanyaje? Tukaenda courts, tukafanya nini? Tukasajili ama kuwasilisha kesi, alafu kesi inaendelea. Wakati kesi inaendelea, tumeitwa mkutano, barua tumezipokea. Tunapofika mkutanoni, tunaambiwa kuna tag, huwezi ingia kwa mkutano bila kuwa na tag. Lakini tag sio sheria ya kuhudhuria mkutano wa National Governing Council. Sisi tunahudhuria kwa vile sisi tumechaguliwa kuwakilisha kila county, ambapo sasa tunapoongea yamaanisha kwamba walimu wa Tana River sauti yao haijasikizwa. Walimu wa Samburu, walimu wa Laikipia, walimu wa Nandi na Isiolo hawajasikizwa. Kwa hivyo huu mkutano is null and void. Yale wamejadili hayawezi simama. So hiyo ndio shida, na hawa watu tuwaambie ukweli. Kila kitu kina wakati wake. Wakati wao umefika.
Mimi ile maswali nimesikia National Treasurer akiuliza that we are banned from entering the meeting because we have the court issues. Nimeona Senator wa Busia Omutata alikuwa amepeleka kesi. Sikusikia kuwa amekatazwa kuingia bunge ya Senate. Honorable Kamal, the same case, alikuwa amepeleka delocalization. Sikusikia kuwa banned from entering the National Assembly. Sasa hii mambo yote kuna ile fitina iko, na sisi tunakaa ngangari, na sisi tunaambia watu wetu wale wako nyuma yetu waendelee kutusupport, na hii maneno yote itaenda kuisha. Asanteni.
Maybe waitwa makwa ni Robert Miano, mwandiki wa kiama gĩa KUPPET kuria Laikipia. No muthi ni muthenya wake ha muno kuri arutani bururi-ini. Ithuĩ tũkire mũcemanio gũkũ wa andũ arĩa mathondekaga mawatho ma kĩama, tũrĩ andũ atano arĩa mara represent ma branches ithano cia KUPPET. Twakora thigari mũrango-inĩ na thiarĩ na mĩcinga cirehetwo gũkũ nĩ mũnene witũ wĩtagwo Akeno Misori, cikĩenda gũtũraga. Na gĩtũmi kĩrĩa marenda gũtũraga nĩ ũndũ wa kwaria ma, nĩ ũndũ wa kũmera maũndũ maya na maya mũtireka wega. Ndiũĩ nĩ ha andũ makinyĩte atĩ waria wĩ mũndũ mũru. Ta rĩu atimia aitũ kana ladies teachers arĩa mathomithagia bũrũri ũyũ nĩ marengagwo mbeca 200 na matiragwo nĩ ciaki. O mũrutani wothe mũtimia bũrũri-inĩ ũyũ agakora mũcara-inĩ wake nĩ atinio mbeca, na watara cigoka milioni 30 kĩndũ o mweri na cikagayanwo. Na he kĩndũ kĩgĩtũma twĩcirie mbia icio nĩ igayanagwo nĩ anene aya me gũkũ a KUPPET, na nĩkĩo maragiria tũingĩre gũkũ, tondũ kĩama gĩa KUPPET National Office magĩrĩire gũkorwo makĩrũĩrĩra arimũ arĩa. No rĩu twathiĩ kũrũĩrĩra arimũ acio moka magatũhũra, nĩ kũmaanisha onao nĩ maciaga mbeca-inĩ icio. Nĩkĩo twĩ haha tukiuga ũhoro ũcio nĩ mũru mũno, na arimũ maikare chonjo, tondũ no mũhaka tũrũgame na haki ciao, na harĩa hothe hekuoneka ũru no tũkũrũgama, ona matũrehera thigari, ona matũrehera andũ angĩ mataramenya nĩ kũ mekumĩte. Tutaendelea na kũrũĩrĩra ihoto cia arimũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Na harĩ ũndũ ũngĩ ngĩenda njuge, kĩama gĩkĩ gitũ rĩu andũ arĩa maratongoria harĩa igũrũ nĩ akuma mĩaka 65, angĩ marenda gũtuĩka mĩaka 70, na matirenda arimũ aya nini matongorie. Mwarimũ wothe mũnini aria akahũrwo, mwarimũ mũtongoria wothe mũnini akaninwo biũ. tondu marenda mathondeke mawatho nikio maratũingata tondu moe mawatho macio ithuĩ tingĩmahĩtũkia marenda gũthondeka watho ati meherie hau hakuga ati mũndũ aikaraga kĩama-inĩ nginya ati agakua ati wikare hau kĩama-inĩ nginya ũgakua ũgakora mũndũ ũcio ndarĩ na meciria ma kũrũĩrĩra mwarimũ ndarĩ na ũndũ wa kũrũĩrĩra mwarimũ o rĩngĩ no mbeca cia mwarimũ arenda gũkorwo akĩrogota o mweri rĩu mwarimũ agakoragwo no kũhinyĩrĩrĩka mũcara wa mwarimũ ũgakorwo no kũnyiha ũranyiha o mwaka mwarimũ ndarongererwo mũcara na gũtirĩ nginya mũndũ wa kũmwarĩrĩria tondũ arĩa magĩrĩire nĩ gũkorwo makĩarĩrĩria arimũ haja yao no mbeca tu bora tu mbeca nĩ ciaingĩra in millions na nĩkĩo megũthiĩ mũhuko-inĩ wa atimia aitũ arimũ arĩa mathomithagia Kenya already teachers ngiri kuma 200 makamatinia 200 o mwarimũ na matimorĩtie wonganĩrĩria cigatuĩka mbeca nyingĩ mũno rĩu nĩkĩo harĩa ũrona ũguo tondũ wa kũgeria kũrũa na maũndũ na evils nĩ maũndũ moru marahanĩka kĩama-inĩ na no twende nginya ona horo ũyũ ũkinyĩre nginya president arore tondũ andũ aya no matũũrage nĩ ũndũ wa mbeca icio monaga nĩ nyingĩ mũno cirorwo wega nĩgetha